Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're at the Springbrook Community Church in Acme, Illinois, and we're going to be raising about 350 feet of sidewalk that's dropped along the curb. We'll be raising this concrete with polyurethane foam. It's a high density commercial grade polyurethane. This is not mudjacking, this is completely different. The process will involve drilling small holes. We will inject the polyurethane to lift and support the concrete, which will then be immediately ready for use. Once we're done raising the concrete, the holes will be patched and everything will be up to grade and all the trip hazards will be eliminated. Now, let's go and take a look at what everything looks like before we raise the concrete.
The sidewalk has dropped significantly, up to 3 inches in many areas. Other than causing a trip hazard at the curb, all of this concrete is in really great shape. Our process for lifting sunken concrete is technically advanced compared to old methods. We'll be utilizing materials that are water resistant and cure immediately, allowing for unrestricted use as soon as we're done. Here are a couple clips of the process in action.
Okay, that took us about 8 hours. We've got 350 feet of sidewalk raised to the top of the curb. All the trip hazards are eliminated. All the holes are patched and everything looks great. We're going to take a quick video and show you the final product.
This is a great example of commercial grade work we do. However, we're on residential projects every day in Crystal Lake, Lake in the Hills, Huntley, and Algonquin, with a service area reaching out to Antioch, St. Charles, Hampshire, and Des Plaines.